Good morning. Day 133 on the Appalachian Trail. Just leaving the hotel here. It was a little pricey, but really nice. Old like 1900s building, so that was cool. But it rained all night. I'm really glad that I wasn't out on trail, and it is supposed to get nasty this afternoon. So gonna make my way back to trail here and just keep kicking it. Hopefully I can get some miles in today and probably stop before I get up to the ridge line of Saddleback and try to wait for some better weather tomorrow. But yeah, let's do it. Finally made it back to trail. Got a ride from a great couple from Virginia, Ed and Ann. They were really nice, good talking to them. But it is afternoon and I got my work cut out for me. I got big climbs this afternoon and I am inevitably going to get rained on today. So hopefully I can get some miles in and may just end up stopping early because it's a pretty big storm that's rolling through. And I don't want to get up on top of that Saddleback Ridge and be exposed to the elements. So we'll see how the day goes and we'll just do what we can. Let's get it. Just stopped here at this water source for a snack, filling up my water. I am getting ready to go up and over Saddleback Ridge. The weather has not been bad. The wind's hardly even blowing. It sprinkled on me a little bit a couple times, but I've also seen like peaks of the sun. So I can't imagine it will be dangerous up there. I mean, I might get rained on, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna get really nasty. So I'm gonna try to push up and over that. And yeah, just make it as far as I can. It's only like 3 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna see if I can get up and over these.
Why?
Up on Saddleback Mountain in a cloud. The trail gods are with me. This cloud here just decided to blow away. Look at this view I'm getting. Yes, awesome. It's crazy to think just a couple days ago I was on the other side of that lake. I love it. Yeah. up on the horn. It's starting to rain. I just made it to my last mountain of the day, up on Saddleback Junior. This one, that's the Saddleback I was on first. That's the horn. It is raining on me, so I'm gonna kick it down, try to find a campsite. I'll show you this view though, it's not too bad. Just rolling in to where I'm going to camp. I need to get set up here. It's still raining, but I'm right near the Poplar Ridge shelter. Did it about 11 miles today, made it up over 4,000 foot peaks, so I actually made it further than I thought I would. But I just took a fall. My ass is all muddy. I smashed my hand on a rock. I don't think it's broken, but it is black and blue and swollen already, so I'm not sure, but that really hurts. And I'm definitely sick of the rain and the mud and the wet trail and my feet constantly being soaked. Could use some sunny days to not have to worry about being wet all the time. But gonna get set up here, cook some dinner, and we'll do it again tomorrow.